Hello guys, hope you are doing fine and in good health. This is USDJPY and I'm doing it on Tuesday because last week I couldn't find any good trade or analysis and still now I didn't, but I think there can be a very potential trade in USDJPY and I'm waiting for that and I would like to share it with you guys. So this was the top last double top we had in monthly. Here is the place. I'm not going to take too much time in marking double top and double bottom. So be patient as fast as I can do. And this was the double bottom we had here, somewhere here. Yes, that is the place from where it took off. So in between these two, this is a very big range. So price didn't trace back 50% of it yet. This is one catch or one take we have in monthly at the moment, and we see that when it came to this region, it reacted, and now this is the January candle, and this is December, so we have a double bottom again here. And I cannot say it officially double bottom, but I don't think the price will escalate back to 140.76 within today's 30th and tomorrow's 31st. So within 2 days it will not come down that much. So considering, if we let's assume nobody is going to kill us, or we are not going to get hurt for any good reason. If we assume we have this double top now, this is the range, okay. So let's redraw a few things. Let's put the whole range in black, so we don't get lost in translation. Okay, guys, this is the whole range, and this is the 50% of the whole range. Now this is our new double bottom. At the end of 31st January we will have it. No worry, don't worry, we will have it. We will have this one. This guy will be there, a little bit here and there, but I don't think a little bit here, it will be like this. And hold on guys, I am not getting very good. Okay, so now we have this, and if we see the previous double top from this area, and if we measure it from here to here, and if we measure the half of it now in monthly, and it is very clear that it has already crossed 50% quite nicely, and to be honest with you, I think it has reached 75% also. Can you guys see? This is 50 from here to here. From here to here it is 50%, and from here to here it is another 50% we have. Okay, and if we measure the second 50%, it has already achieved 25% of the second phase. So the price has already reached 75%. So this is giving us a very bullish indication, and that's it for us on monthly. But the thing I would like to mention here, to keep it in your mind when you trade in February, just be very cautious that we have a big region here. This region has never been tapped. I mean, this is the imbalance in the market. Can you guys see? I hope it is very clear for you guys. This region has never been tapped. Okay, I want to make the density of the color very high here. So this is the imbalance. Imbalance we have here. What happened? Why I cannot move this guy? Okay. So this is the imbalance we have here that the market need to address. This is the monthly imbalance we have. Okay guys, and this is the double bottom, this is the imbalance. Let's move to weekly. Now it's in last week we have a it's not doji, neither it is hammer, but we have a let's say it's a doji candle which is showing the what you can say the upward trend in weekly time frame. It is showing weakness, but the most important part here is this, that it didn't come out even 50% of the second week of January candle, and we have a new week now, and still this lower portion of this doji candlestick is still intact. So the downward pressure is not that much. Of course there is downward pressure, but it is not that much. So this is another catch we have to take into consideration. And we don't have any double top here in weekly even. And if we move to daily now we can see the reason it has been resisted from this area. Okay guys, this is the area, this green and red. Let me make it a little bit bigger for your clear understanding. So it is this green and red is making a double top here. So if we put a daily double top somewhere here, this green and red, again green and red, again green and red, so this it has been formed. This is the region from where it has started. Okay guys, that is resisting the price now. And if we want to create a zone of this price, this is the zone we have. So let's draw it. Never mind. So this is what we have, a double top on the daily, and this is a double top which is working as a resistance, but it is not that much that the price has been you can see the price has been rejected here when it come here, and most of the cases for double top double bottom we will use less density color. But at the same time you guys can see this is the untapped area which has been imbalanced, left in the market in daily, and it tried to tap once and it couldn't take it out, and it left the rest here. This is one region where it is untapped, this region from this shadow to this shadow. It was initially here, but sorry, here, now it is here. And also we have a very big can you see we have untapped areas in weekly? Yes, we have very big untapped area in weekly. Here also in week we have untapped area. Okay guys, these are the imbalance or fair value gap, whatever you call it, it is left there without being considered by the market. Doesn't allow these imperfections. Okay, let's get back to daily now. Okay, so this is the reason it tried to tap. Then this is another weekly reason where the market is untapped. So maybe the price will come and take this out, or maybe a little bit down to this testing this 50% zone, 144.55, then it can move up. At the moment I don't see any trade. So my opinion is to wait until this box is broken. Okay guys, don't take any trade now. Nothing is here right at the moment. I want to send it back. Not send it back, yes. So this region at the moment is what is it is going 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, almost 2 weeks, including today. It is the price is hovering around. So if the price wants to come down, it has to come here. This big area of the monthly imbalance we have seen, this area has never been tapped. This is one issue. Another issue is this, that it has to come a little bit down to mitigate this area, or maybe a little more to mitigate this area. But so far I can see that in daily time frame it is not coming down or going up even. So market is now ranging. It is a chopping market. You see? Rejected, rejected, again rejected, 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 again rejected. So the market is chopping. For intraday trader, I don't see, I don't have any opinion. But for positional and the way we do structural trading, I don't see any trade at the moment. There is no trade at the moment. I can see very good enough to take. So there is no reason to go in 4 hours. In 4 hours, you guys can see it is ranging for a long time. This is the thing. Now coming back to week again, if we try for a good reason to draw a trend line, this is the structure we have, but let's draw a trend line to see if we have something good. You see, this is the trend line in weeks. This is the weekly trend line we have. And even if we draw it like this, we see that it tried to break the trend line, tapping this area and moved upward. Now it is again trying to get some strength on downside, getting bearish, and then maybe move upward. On the daily, now if we draw a trend line on daily, what happens? Let's say this is the trend line. Maybe we can draw it from here. Let's draw it from here to mitigate this area. So initially, the weekly trend line was something like this. So daily was broken. It was once broken, and it take the toll. The market got bearish here and started coming back to the same position again. Okay, guys. So now the new trend line for the daily is something like this for me. Okay, guys. So let's enlarge and see what we can interpret from the market at the moment. My opinion is to wait to break this box. Wait for it. It's not that I think it is 200 pips we have. So within these 200 pips, the intraday traders can trade in something like this, that it comes down here and doesn't honor this lowest point, and then it moves up again in this region. Again, it honors this area, price action you can see, and moves. This is the way it is doing. It went up, tried to break it, failed, it came here. Again moved up, failed, it came here. It failed to break down, even it moved again on upside.